Karnataka government is very happy to announce that today we are declaring as non-Naxalite state. I think with the hard efforts of our government and our police officers and a team which has been constituted by the government for the rehabilitation and for negotiation with those Naxalites. I think after the fallout there was a big serious attempt and now they have come forward. About 6 people have been surrendered today. One is from Tamil Nadu, one is from Kerala, and 4 are from Karnataka. So today the Deputy Commissioner has issued an order. I think they came and given some lot of demands on the various issues to help their community. Some the one youngster who is from Tamil Nadu is a BTech graduate. He is a BTech graduate. So I think all the 6 have been surrendered today. So we have to respect